that matters. This is KLBK News at 6.
It's good to see you all again. I'm Matt Stone.
I'm Terry Furman. A little more than 24 hours into his second term, some of the biggest headlines being made by the Trump administration is his executive order to end birthright citizenship.
KLBK's Eddie Catano talked with an immigration expert about that order, which will most likely be caught up in court. Eddie?
Ending birthright citizenship is something President Trump has talked about since winning the election back in November. And along with pardoning thousands of January 6 rioters, pulling the U.S. out of the Paris Climate Agreement and the World Health Organization, Trump used his executive power to kickstart the process of making birthright citizenship a thing of the past.
Can you get around the 14th Amendment with an executive action?
We're going to have to get a change. We'll maybe have to go back to the people, but we have to end it.
Local immigration attorney Maria Oviedo says birthright citizenship is something a lot of people may not truly understand.
And his proposal essentially says, well, if you are born in the United States, but your mother is here either, one, unlawfully, so if she's here just, with no status whatsoever, and your dad is neither a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident. So in other words, if your dad is also here unlawfully, you do not have the right to citizenship, even if you happen to be born on U.S. soil.
At least 20 states have sued President Donald Trump for his executive order to end birthright citizenship, claiming the order violates the 14th Amendment.
No president can unilaterally change the Constitution on a whim. Only constitutional amendments can change the Constitution.
And Oviedo agrees.
It requires going through the procedure to amend the Constitution. So that means, an act of Congress to amend the Constitution, getting the House of Representatives, the Senate to allow an amendment to go through the, just the correct channels.
Unlawfully stripping U.S. citizens of their right to citizenship will impact their future ability to vote, travel abroad, secure housing, access health care, seek employment, run for public office, serve on juries, and more generally, participate fully in American society.
Natalie Reynolds Gonzalez received birthright citizenship through her mother, who came from Mexico to the U.S. on a visa. She says hearing about the executive order broke her heart.
I thought of the amount of people that came here for a better life, are working towards having a better life. And suddenly just now they can't. Just sad.
But both women agree. In the meantime, knowledge is power.
Know your rights. Know what you're legally allowed to do. And don't let anyone take advantage of you.
The cities of San Francisco and Washington, D.C. are also suing the Trump administration. And the states say that at least 150,000 children born to parents without legal status would be denied citizenship by this executive order.
All right. Tough talk.